Wrap the dry noodles tightly around a pair of chopsticks.
Lilitkan mie disumpit.
Then hold them lifted above a pot of hot oil
Masukkan ke minyak panas.
and carefully spoon that oil over them.
Tuangkan minyak panas pakai sendok kemi dengan hati-hati.
And let it cool, and the noodles should hold their shape.
Do you want to see how it looks? Ta-da! I don't hold this.